Argon gas is an essential element of your permanent jewellery welding setup, and whilst it might seem a little bit daunting, it's completely non-toxic and safe when used properly. We asked Lee to answer the top 5 questions we most commonly answer about using argon gas with a PUK TIG welder.
This is the main argon bottle. This is the valve where we turn the bottle on and off. This is where the regulator screws onto, and these are your pressure gauges. And this is where we adjust the pressure up and down. And this is where the main hose goes to the machine. So this is the argon bottle that you'll get from a gas supplier. It will always come with a sealed cap that you'll need to remove. The argon regulator simply sits on top, and then we screw this up. And then with a wrench, ensure this is done up tightly, like so. With the handle, we turn on the argon, and then we adjust the gas pressure to 2 litres per minute. The perfect pressure is 2 litres per minute, which is the beginning of the green area. This is the perfect tool to be able to use, to be able to open and close your gas bottle, and it's also the right size to be able to remove the regulator. This is a weld without argon. This is a weld with argon. Much cleaner, smoother weld.
Argon gas creates a protective shield around the weld, preventing oxidization and ensuring a clean, strong bond.